our knee operated cold water kick pedal. First off, the overall dimensions. Measurements for the pedal itself will include 6 inches in depth and a length of 4 inches. Coming to the front will be left and right base for mounting. And the measurements for the mount will include a distance of 3 inches. And the back will be 2 threaded slots. And the distance measurement will include 2 3/4 inches, with each thread measuring 3/4 inches. This cold water kick pedal can be purchased directly through our Cooler Depot website and can be used for any of the qualifying sinks that we have for sale. This can be mounted to any of the sinks that will work with this kick pedal. Coming to the inside will be a push tab, so when your pedal makes contact with the tab, water will be dispensed coming from the sink that's above. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.